guys, welcome back to another brand new video. And in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to access and use Grok Ai, Seedance 2.0, Veo 3.1 and many other AI tools completely free and unlimited. Now before I show you all of that, let me go ahead and show you guys a platform I have been using to get cheap access to Grok accounts. So if you go over to Grok official website, you will see that Super Grok costs around $30. But if I take you back here on this platform, you will see that Grok AI is actually cheaper on this platform. You can get it for a fraction of the price. So if you want to create unlimited content using Grok AI, but you are on a budget, then go ahead and check out this platform. You can get Grok accounts for a fraction of the price. So once again, the link is in the video description down below. Okay guys, so the platform I'm going to be talking about in this video is called roboneo.com. I'm also going to leave the link in the video description down below. Also, I have made a video about this platform before, but I did not show you guys how to get free and unlimited videos and image generations on this platform using all of the AI models they have on the platform. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that so you can generate videos using Grok AI, Seedance 2.0, Veo 3 and many other AI models completely free, and I'll show you guys how to create unlimited videos and images on the platform. So even though you've known how to use this platform before, don't just go ahead and skip this video because there is a lot of value to be provided in this video. All right, so to sign up, just in case this is your first time here, search roboneo.com on Google and it's going to take you right here. So go ahead and click on the first link you see right there. All right, so once it loads up, this is where it's going to take you, and at the top here you can see try Seedance 2.0 on Roboneo now. But remember, you can also access Grok AI, Veo 3 and other AI models. So to create your account, just come over here and click on login, and once you click on login, it's going to load up and take you here. So you can continue with your email, you can continue with Google, you can continue with Facebook, or you can continue with Apple. So in this video we are going to be continuing with Google, right? That is the easiest method. So I'm just going to click on continue with Google. It's going to take me here. I'm going to select my Google account. So if you want to make use of Google, once you click on it, it's going to take you to the next page where you can select the Google account you want to use. So I'm just going to go ahead, click continue right here, and you can see it loading. Immediately it's going to take me straight to the account, so you can see it right there. All right, so let's wait for it. All right, boom guys, it's going to take us straight to our account. Now immediately at the top here you can see this platform give you 70 credits immediately you sign up your account. Now this 70 credits will not be enough for you to generate a lot of videos using either Grok AI, Seedance 2.0 or Veo 3.1 or even any other AI model on the platform. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do that. Right, so if I hover my mouse right here, you will see that once you sign up they give you 70 credits. They call it carrots, and you will see that every single day they give you 20 credits. It refreshes every midnight, as you can see right here. So you can use those ones as well, but that is still not going to be enough for you. So I'm gonna be showing you guys a method to do that. Before I show you the method, let me go ahead and show you how to use the platform to create your AI videos and images. And it's your first time coming across this platform, it's going to be a little bit difficult, or it's going to be a little bit confusing to you. So that is why you need to watch this video step by step. Right, click on new project. This is going to open up, so this is where it's going to take you, and you can see there are a lot of things going on the screen. That is why I said if this is your first time coming across the platform, things are going to be looking messy to you. So first of all, I'm going to come over here and collapse this, and this is going to be hidden. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to go ahead and delete everything right here. So I'm going to go ahead and select this, and I'm just going to go ahead and delete it just like that. So that's basically how to delete it. Now after you delete everything and the interface looks clean as it should look, next thing you need to do is to come over here and click on this plus icon. So if I go ahead and scroll down here under the right text here, you see that you can create images from text, which is text to image. You can edit your images here. You can enhance your images, image noise reduction. There are lots of things you can actually do. So if I scroll down here under the video creation, you will see that you can generate videos from text, you can generate videos from image, you can make use of first and last frame to generate your AI videos. You can also use video reference to create your videos. Now if I go ahead and scroll down here, you can see audio creation. You can also generate music from text here. You can also generate lyrics here. You can also generate songs here. Now let's go ahead and generate a video from text. So I'm just going to come under here under video creation. I'm going to click on text to video, and once I tap on text to video, this is going to open up. So I'm going to go ahead and close this here. So I'm going to hit on the screen and this is going to close. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and zoom it here and make it big. You can see I've clicked on zoom here, right? So here, this is where we can paste in our prompts to generate our video, right? Now this is where we can select our AI model, the AI model we want to use for the video or maybe image creation. But remember, we selected text video. This box here is going to serve as our prompts box. This is where we are going to paste in our prompts, and then here, this is where we can select the AI model we want to use. So once we paste our prompts here, the prompt is going to communicate with whichever AI model we decide to select here. All right, so over here you can see you can use Happy Horse here to generate your video. You can use Seedance 2.0, you can use Seedance 2.0 Fast, Seedance Pro, you can use Clink 3.0, Clink 2.6, and if I scroll down here, you will see there are lots of them right here. You can see Veo 3.1 as well. Now I know a lot of you guys may be looking for Grok AI here, but you may not see Grok AI here because on this platform, if you want to generate your videos from text, Grok AI is not available. It is only when you want to generate your video from image, which means you want to use an image as reference to create your video, then you will be able to see Grok AI. So let me go ahead and show you guys. I'm going to just go ahead and delete this right here. Let me just go ahead and delete this. Then I'm going to click on this plus icon again, and now I'm going to select image to video. So once I click on it, let me just go ahead and close this right here, and now we'll be able to see Grok AI. So let me drag all of this right here in the middle so you see it clearly. All right, so now we have our text box, which is where we are going to paste our prompts. We have our image section here. This is where we can drag and drop the image we want to use, and this is where we can select our AI model. So if I tap on this right here and scroll down here, we should be able to see Grok AI right now. So if I scroll down here, you will now see we have Grok AI here. This is Grok here, and you can see every other AI is here, but you can see now you have seen Grok AI. So all you need to do is to go ahead and actually select Grok, then you select the duration of the video you want to generate. You also select the resolution. All right, the longer the duration, the higher the credit you'll be consuming. So if I select 6 seconds, you'll see that the credits I'll be using is 64 credits to generate whatever video I want to generate. But if I select 5 seconds, you'll see that I'll be needing only 70 credits, which is 70 carats on the platform. So that is basically how to use Grok AI on the platform. Now let's just go ahead and generate one video just to show you guys that this actually works, and then I'll show you guys how to get unlimited credits on this platform so you can continue generating your content without hitting limit on time. All right, so you can see we have 70 credits and we are going to generate a video with 70 credits, and that simply means our credits will be finished. So let's just go ahead and generate the video and see how it looks first, then I'll show you guys how to get more credits on the platform. All right guys, so all I'm going to do is to go ahead and paste in my prompts right here. So this is the prompt that is going to animate the image which I'm going to upload right here. So I'm just going to go ahead click on this plus icon. Right, so it's going to take me into my laptop. So you can see this is the image I want to use. I'm going to tap on it, click on open. Right, so you can see it's uploading right here. So let's wait for it to upload. Okay, so you can see the image has been uploaded. So this is basically a scene that shows a mother taking the son to school. Remember, we selected Grok Ai, but you can select any other AI model available. So the duration, we are going to leave it on 5 seconds because we don't have much credits. Don't worry, I'm going to show you guys how to get more credits. And down here, we are going to select 720p as the resolution. Next, I'm going to go ahead and click on run. And we are using all our 70 credits to generate this particular video. So after this video is done generating, you will see our credits will be 0 at the top here. So currently it is running. Let's go ahead and wait for the result. All right guys, so the video has been generated. As you can see, it's right here. So to download the video, all you need to do is to just go ahead, hover your mouse here where you see the arrow down here, just hit on it and you can see it has been downloaded. So right now, let's go ahead and play the video and see how it looks.
Study hard, son. I will, mom.
Alright guys, so let me go ahead and show you guys how to get unlimited credits on this platform so you can continue generating your AI videos. So there are actually 2 methods to get unlimited credits on the platform. So the first method is creating multiple accounts. So all you need to do is to go over to your Google and type temp mail, and you will see a lot of results here. You can see this one, tempmail.io, and you can see a lot of temp mail here. Now temp mail, just in case you don't know, it's simply platforms or software that helps you to get disposable temporary email addresses. So for example, if I click on this one right here, it's going to take me to their website. So I'm just going to verify I'm a human here, and boom, it's gonna take me to their official website. Now over here, this is where you will see a temporary email address assigned to you. So you can see for me right now, this is a temporary email the platform has given me. I can copy this here and go back to RoboNeo and create a new account. So that is basically how you can get more credits on this platform to continue generating videos, because if you sign up, they give you 70 credits, and if you can create multiple accounts, which means multiple 70 credits. All right, now the second way is you making use of their referral system. This one is an opportunity given to you by the platform itself to help you get more credits. All right, so just come over here and click on the share button here, and over here you will see a link. Just go ahead and copy the link, and according to their platform, if you share your link and you have someone to sign up, you will get 50 credits, and the person you invite also gets 50 credits. So all you need to do is to just click on the share button and copy your referral link and share it to your friends. When they sign up, they get 50 credits and you also get 50 credits. So this is basically how to access Grok Ai Seedance 2.0, Veo 3, Clink AI, or any other AI model on the platform, completely free and unlimited. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out each time I drop another video just like this. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, and if you have any video requests, let me know in the comment section down below as well. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.